It's been a while since I shared my travel essentials with you all. With frequent business trips and travels lately, I found many items that make traveling more convenient and boost my happiness levels. Let's take a look and see if there's anything you need. If you want to take a nap anytime, anywhere on a car or plane, you must get this eye mask. It's super lightweight, made of soft material, and features a 3D wraparound design. It's very comfortable to wear, doesn't press on your eyes, and blocks out all light. It even comes with flexible noise-canceling earplugs. Put them on to instantly block out light and noise, enter quiet mode, and fall asleep in minutes. I used to bring a bunch of disposable hygiene covers when staying in hotels. But now this roll of protective film is enough. Tear it off, wrap it around the toilet seat for a clean and hygienic experience. No need to squat. You can also stick it on handles if you need to hang things. If you feel the bathroom vanity isn't clean enough to place your change of clothes, just stick it on. In short, you can stick it anywhere. It's easy to remove without leaving any residue, a total lifesaver. For those who are afraid of mosquitoes, I highly recommend this gadget. It's small, and it doubles as a flashlight. With a gentle twist, it transforms into a purple light mosquito killer. Place it wherever those annoying mosquitoes are, and it works great. The wireless design is very convenient. With a 14-hour battery life, it can be used both indoors and outdoors, and can even be paired with a tripod to become a floor-standing mosquito lamp. There's also this instant heating water kettle, the size of a thermos. When using it, open the hidden water outlet. Pull out the water intake at the bottom. Insert a bottle of mineral water with the universal adapter, and it's ready to use. Select the desired temperature on top, and it dispenses water instantly with one press. It also comes with a 304 stainless steel cup. Whether you want hot water for tea or instant noodles, it's very convenient and easy to carry. If you're worried about hotel showerheads being dirty or having poor water quality, you can bring this portable travel filter showerhead. It has a universal interface and can be changed in just over 10 seconds. The water flow is adjustable in 2 settings. The water comes out dense and pressurized, making it very comfortable to wash with. And most importantly, clean and worry-free. Applying makeup in hotels is inconvenient, as many don't provide a vanity mirror. Even if they do, the distance and height are often not right. That's why I always bring this portable vanity mirror. It's smaller and thinner than a tablet and comes with a protective case so the mirror won't break. The best part is the adjustable height design, so you don't have to hunch over. The height and angle can be adjusted at will, and the 3 light sources are high definition and mimic daylight. You won't have to worry about applying your makeup too heavily. The back also features a 3x magnifying mirror, and it has a Type-C port for easy charging. To keep your luggage organized, you must have good storage bags. The 2 sets I use are both stylish and high quality. The cream-colored puppy set is made of water repellent, lightweight fabric. It includes a toiletry bag, makeup bag, underwear bag, and accessory bag. Everything is categorized, saying goodbye to the mess. The purple set is beautiful and very durable. Half of the clothing storage bag is mesh, so you can see what's inside at a glance. It has a large capacity and smooth zippers. These 2 pairs of slippers are also my great travel companions. They are very compact when folded. Once unfolded, you can wear them in hotels or on planes. The Velcro design allows for adjustable tightness, and they are much softer and bouncier than thin disposable slippers. They are comfortable to wear and have non-slip soles. Hotel hair dryers are like a blind box. They take forever to dry your hair and might leave it frizzy. I now bring my own hair dryer. It's super light, smaller than a palm, and weighs only about 200 grams. It's a high-speed negative ion dryer with strong airflow. It dries my long hair in just 3 minutes. It takes a minute for kids. Plus, it leaves hair very smooth. This is my travel-specific toothbrush. It has an ice cream design, is detachable, and is very small. When you use it, just assemble it into a normal toothbrush. The bristles are very soft, and after use, you can pack it away without worrying about moisture. It's dust-proof and portable. This compact aluminum alloy multifunctional stand is super useful. Partially unfold the stand, place your phone on it, and it attaches with a strong magnet. It's very convenient for watching shows in landscape mode or scrolling through short videos in portrait mode. Unfold it a bit more, and you can place a tablet on it. Fully unfolded, it can even hold a laptop. It has 8 adjustable height levels, a triangular structure for excellent stability, and great heat dissipation. A power bank is a travel necessity, and I now carry this 6-in-1 one. It has a massive 20.000 mAh capacity and supports fast charging. It comes with a 70 centimeters long built-in charging cable that you can pull out and use immediately, allowing you to charge while using your phone. It also features built-in wireless magnetic charging and a hidden phone stand. Once unfolded, you can watch shows while charging at any time. It comes with a lanyard, so you can hang it on your bag. It also has a foldable plug, making it both a power bank and a convenient charger. You must bring a small fan for summer travel. This one has a long battery life and 100 levels of steepless speed adjustment, with very strong airflow. What's even better is that it has a built-in cooling function. Press it for 5 seconds of rapid cooling. The air it blows is cool, not hot. It can even be used directly for cold compresses. It can be folded into a desktop fan or hung up for storage. This one is also very practical. Its stand is made of soft silicone and can be folded at will. It also has a clip so you can attach it to an umbrella handle. And it features magnetic suction. You can use your phone while it blows air, or play games while it blows air. Lazy people will love it.